How to lock specific chats on WhatsApp. In this video, I'll show you how to lock specific chats on WhatsApp to keep your private conversations secure. Start by opening the WhatsApp app on your Android phone. Then find the individual or group chat that you'd like to lock. Long press the chat and tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Next, tap Lock Chat or Chat Lock. Then tap Continue. You'll be asked to verify your identity using your fingerprint, Face ID, or your device's screen lock method. Once enabled, the chat will be moved to the Locked Chats folder, which appears at the top of your chat list. You'll need to authenticate yourself whenever you want to open locked conversations. If you want to unlock a chat later, open the locked chat, tap the contact or group name, select Chat Lock, and turn it off. Verify your identity to confirm the change. That's it. You've successfully learned how to lock specific chats on WhatsApp. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.